The Orion Belt's 3 stars have a profound connection with ancient monuments worldwide. This connection might stem from the Orion constellation, possibly linked to aliens from Orion 7,000 years ago. Diagrams made of sand and stone clearly indicate that ancient civilizations possessed advanced knowledge of celestial bodies. Evidence suggests contact between forgotten civilizations and visitors from star clusters. For ancient civilizations, this connection holds great significance. Perhaps we originated from there and will return there after death. Millions worldwide believe aliens visited Earth. What if this is true? Did ancient aliens truly shape our history for the better? If so, did they leave evidence proving our ultimate destination is the Orion constellation? Who were they? Why did they come? What did they leave behind? Where did they go? Will they return? Let us explore these mysteries. On January 11, 2006, the Hubble Space Telescope captured an unprecedented view of the Orion Nebula, 1,500 light-years from Earth, revealing massive star formation. The image showed over 3,000 stars at various life stages, offering new insights into the structure of celestial objects and planetary systems. Scientists believe millions of years ago, stars and planets formed in this mysterious cloud of dust and gas. Astronomers call it M42, a dull name for a stellar nursery where stars are born. The Orion Nebula is a hotspot for star formation, with young stars and possibly planets forming from gas and dust. This rapid creation suggests phenomena beyond current scientific understanding. At night, Orion's stars are clearly visible from Earth, revered for thousands of years across cultures. Named after an 8th century BCE Greek demigod, Orion is one of the most recognizable constellations, second to the Big Dipper in the Northern Hemisphere. Its 3 major belt stars, Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka, are iconic, forming a hunter's belt. In Greek mythology, Orion was a giant, powerful hunter wielding a bronze weapon. After his death, he was immortalized among the stars. Some myths claim Poseidon, the sea god, was his father, teaching him to walk on water. Another tale describes Orion as so massive that his head and shoulders remained above water while wading. Most astronomical bodies bear names from Greek mythology, depicting the cosmos as a divine realm. To ancient Egyptians, Orion was a long-striding human. To Greeks, a hunter. To others, a monster crushing enemies or snakes. Yet all depicted him as human-like. Given the relatively recent Greek civilization, Orion might have been a real person. Ancient astronaut theorists question whether Orion was a human immortalized in the stars or if his constellation held deeper significance. Some researchers suggest answers lie in Egyptian stories, 2,000 years older than Greek tales. Egyptian myths claim gods descended from Orion's belt and Sirius, including Osiris and Isis, who initiated humanity. This aligns with astrophysics' notion that we are products of stardust. Egyptians believed Orion, Osiris, and Sirius, Isis, birthed their civilization and humanity. Orion, as Osiris, watches over us, deciding our fate, immortality or rebirth, based on our deeds. Egyptians saw Orion as tied to magical creation. If we accept these myths, Orion's powers made him a godlike figure. Exploring Egyptian mythology reveals Orion as Osiris, with beliefs that he will return. Many ancient cultures predict a divine return, yet none has occurred. Do Egyptian myths prove humanity's stellar origin? Ancient astronaut theorists believe so. Pyramid texts from 2400 BCE describe Pharaoh Unas, who ruled Egypt for 30 years before ascending to Orion after death. These texts claim Unas gained powers by consuming enemies and gods, absorbing their strength to journey to Orion. Could pyramid texts be factual, suggesting Unas traveled to space? Egyptian stories imply pyramids were not tombs, but portals to the stars. Pharaohs entered human, transformed into gods via advanced technology, and traveled to Orion, returning as humans. Pyramids may have been launching pads for interstellar travel. Ancient astronaut theorists propose Great Pyramid air shafts aligned with Orion and Sirius support this. Researchers note the pyramids of Giza align with Orion's belt, suggesting Orion as a destination. Why do these air shafts point to Orion? Were they interstellar gateways? If so, aliens might be our true ancestors. Evidence may lie in Nubian Desert's Nabta Playa, discovered in 1974, 800 kilometers from Cairo. This 6,3400 BCE site, predating Egyptian civilization, features megalithic structures aligned with Orion. Researchers believe its builders had advanced physics, mathematics, and astronomical knowledge. A stone circle, dubbed a mini Stonehenge, aligns with Orion's belt during the summer solstice, functioning as a star viewing diagram. Radiocarbon dating places the site at 7,000 years old. In 4900 BCE, its central stones aligned with Orion's belt, mirroring the constellation. How did ancient humans create such precise diagrams? Why did Nabta Playa's inhabitants vanish by 3400 BCE? Some suggest they migrated 100 kilometers away, where Egypt's valley civilization emerged. Nabta Playa's astronomy matches that of pyramid builders, hinting at a star people civilization. Cave paintings in Egypt's southwest depict tall, thin figures with odd heads, possibly these star people. Who were they, and why was Orion's location so significant? Were they an advanced, extinct civilization or extraterrestrials from Orion? In central Mexico, 55 kilometers from Mexico City, Teotihuacan's ruins span 18 squilles. Built by the Mayan civilization in the 2nd century BCE, its pyramids and temple align with Orion's belt, mirroring Giza's layout. This precise alignment across distant civilizations, Mayans and Egyptians, suggests more than coincidence. Did an advanced extraterrestrial civilization guide these structures' creation to honor Orion, humanity's origin point? Ancient astronaut theorists propose a global network of Orion-aligned monuments, built under extraterrestrial supervision to remind humanity of its cosmic roots. Babylonian clay tablets from 7th century BCE, found in 1849 near Mosul, detail precise astronomical data, including zodiac movements. Babylonians revered Orion as the loyal shepherd of heaven, possibly an extraterrestrial messenger. Their advanced knowledge raises questions about its source, perhaps star travelers. Sumerian and Babylonian myths describe gods creating humans to serve them, possibly extraterrestrials initiating life on Earth. These stories, echoed in Egyptian and Mayan tales, suggest a shared narrative of celestial origins. Orion's belt, seen as life's cradle, is central to these beliefs. The Hopi tribe in Arizona's Black Mesa, settled for millennia, aligns their villages with Orion. Their mythology centers on Masao, a god from Orion, who guided them to build in the constellation's pattern. Hopi legends describe Masao as an extraterrestrial with large eyes and a bulbous head, teaching agriculture and navigation by stars. Their villages and ruins mirror Orion's stars like Betelgeuse and Scythe. Hopi believe Masao will return when their terrestrial map aligns with Orion, signaling cosmic connection. Ancient astronaut theorists see this as evidence of extraterrestrial ancestors. Orion's recurring significance across cultures, Giza, Nabta Playa, Teotihuacan, Hopi, suggests a deliberate cosmic link, not coincidence. How did this begin? Did ancient humans possess advanced technology, or were they guided by extraterrestrials? If Orion is our origin, could another Earth-like planet exist there? Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery, might host life. Though current technology makes reaching Orion, 1,500 light-years away, impossible, Einstein's 1935 theory of wormholes, space-time shortcuts, offers hope. Advanced extraterrestrials might have used such portals, explaining Egyptian pharaohs' alleged journeys. Orion holds dual significance as life's origin and afterlife destination. Myths and monuments suggest extraterrestrials visited, taught humanity, and promised to return. These stars shining endlessly symbolize a divine realm. Are these tales mere stories or evidence of ancient alien visits? Is Orion humanity's origin and final destination? If so, how will we get there and who awaits us? The mystery of Orion endures, promising to reveal our cosmic truth.